Hey everybody, today's video is a 1972 Airstream Argosy, and this is Deb, and she's going to tell us all about her camper, and we're going to go inside because it's a bit windy today.
Good afternoon. Come on in my 72 Airstream Argosy. 20 feet. My husband leaves the things open. Otherwise it looks really nice. This is original. We've taken all of the propane out. This is a almost full-size refrigerator. We have our microwave in here. This comes out to a 3/4 bed. This makes a twin bed.
Now, is this all original in here?
This part's original. These are the original configurations. But we've reupholstered this one twice. We started out with red microwave, and it showed dog hairs.
Okay.
So now we got red vinyl.
Which works better for camping, yeah.
Exactly.
And then this one goes out into a bed also.
Yeah. The cabinetry is original, but this isn't, because this is where the stove was.
Okay.
And we've opted to use a microwave and outdoor cooking rather than using any sort of stove. We got a full...
It's very open in here.
It is. Full bathroom in here, full shower, toilet and sink. This is all original. We have a nice size closet.
Okay, that's full length.
Full length closet, it is.
Yep.
A pantry like a normal kitchen in a house.
And that's pretty tall. That's full length too, almost.
We've
up to that cabinet.
Yeah, we've got more storage than we can use because it's all drawers under here. And then these bays up here. And we've replaced this twice before we got what we wanted. But this is actually mosaic tile. And it's held up for 5 years. We've probably owned this camper close to 12 years. And my husband did the paint job to match his 1948 Chevrolet.
And he doesn't have that here?
It's not with us. He is in love with his 72 Suburban right now.
Yeah, I'll show you that when we go outside. So is this air conditioner original?
No, that's a Coleman unit. It's
okay.
Great.
All right. It's not real big. That's good. All right. So what's the car is a what year?
It's a 1972 3-door Suburban.
That's pretty cool.
The 3-door is what makes it rare.
Yeah. For a car that long, you would think it would be the 4 doors. All right. I'm going to show them outside. Thank you, Deb.
Thank you.
Got people waiting to come in and tour. We're at a vintage rally. So here's the paint job. Really nice. So give it a thumbs up, everybody, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.